Hi to everyone who's watching this video. It's about some idioms, so let's start the video. The first is take it on his chin, means to accept the difficult situation without complaining about it. Means we all have situations around us, but it's on us whether we take it as a positive sign or whether we take it as a negative. So we have to weigh out to take it as a positive, and we have to prove ourselves. So you can say he took it up on his chin and prove that he can do anything. The very next is not my circus, not my monkeys. It means that difficult situation which is happening right now is not yours, or you can say the problematic situation that is happening, you are not responsible for that. There is no responsibility for that situation on your shoulders. That's how you use this idiom. You can say not my circus, not my monkeys, means it's entirely not my problem at all. Okay, the very next is let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal the secret. There is another idiom for that, which is spill the tea. That idiom also means to reveal the secret. So you can say cut the crap and let the cat out the bag. Means just tell me the secret. The very next is doom scrolling. It means to consume negativity from social media. Means we are on Instagram, we all are on Facebook, we all are on Twitter, and we see different kind of people lifestyle, but that's just a little part of that. But we just got inspired somehow, got jealous of their lives, and just started blaming our own life that we are not living like them. But just trust me, that's just a little part that they are living. So you not should be like inspiring. So doom scrolling mainly refers to consuming that kind of negativity from social media rather than inspiring yourself. So the very next is low-key. Low-key means quietly or secretly. It means like you don't tell that person, but you are a low-key offended or low-key in love with that person. Means quietly, secretly. The very next is Groundhog Day. It means boring repeatedly occasions. Means like tedious events with no change. So that's called Groundhog Day. Okay, last is burn the midnight oil. It means to work late night. We all are having dreams in our lives. Somebody wants to achieve something, the other one wants to achieve the other thing, but for that we have to struggle very, very hard to get the point where we want to be. For that we have to burn the midnight oil. Means we have to work sometime late at night. So that's how you use this idiom. I hope I've explained all the idioms very well to you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.